Nabila Binti Amri, my role as HR executive.
Hi, my name is Khairina with Badronizam. My role as a HR payroll.
Hi, my name is Nabila. So my role as candidates applying for HR officer.
May I come in? Yes, please have a seat. Okay, so please introduce yourself first.
Hi and good morning to both of you. My name is Nabila Binti Amri and I am 24 years old. I am currently fresh graduate from University Polytechnic Malaysia and I'm in the field of human resource and business.
So I will call you Anis. How would you describe yourself?
I could say that I'm a good learner. I like to gain different type of experience and knowledge from people, and I'm a very calm person and I like to work hard. I have high leadership skill and communication skill, which is very important for human resource field.
Why should we hire you?
For these questions, I think I can help the company by providing some knowledge that I have learned. I can give some innovative ideas and suggestions for human resources department. Also, I can help by developing a better way to working without stress.
So what are your strengths and what is your greatest weakness?
I think my strength is how I can handle situations very calmly without feeling stressed or anxious. And my greatest weakness is when I need to work in a loud surroundings.
What are your career goals?
My career goal is I want to develop my skill and knowledge, and I want to make sure that I have a great career path.
Why did you leave your last job?
So I leave it to further my study, which is my degree, and I did it because I think I need to dig deeper into my passions.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
So I'm thinking of getting offer for a better position or be in a bigger company. That is how I see myself in 5 years.
So Anis, where did you hear about this position?
I saw the advertisement online and I know that I have the background of the payroll.
Can you share with us how do you handle pressure and stress at your work?
Sometimes I take a walk or take a little break before I start to figure things out and find a solution for the pressure and stress.
My last question, what are your salary expectations?
I'm expecting to have 3,500 or higher.
Okay, now Anis, I will ask you regarding your payroll knowledge and experience. So my first question is, can you explain your experience with payroll processing and system you have used in the past?
Yes, of course. My previous experience with payroll was I had a system called Infotech. Before the company buy the system, I usually help my HR manager to make a list of absent workers. I need to transfer data from a form into the Excel one by one. But after using Infotech, I just need to summarize the data and get the result of employees' absence. The apps also include EPF and social deduction, which is easy for me, and it will generate payslip automatically.
Okay, I see. Okay, now we move to the next question. What steps do you follow to ensure payroll is processed accurately and on time?
So I will start process everything a week before the salary day. It helped me to be prepared for any unexpected situation happens. The salary for the week will be moved forward to the next month.
How do you stay updated with the changes, payroll regulations, tax angles, and employment laws?
For this part, I understand it's very important to keep in touch with all of these things. So I casually go through their website or article like LHN, SOSO, and EBF. For employment law, I will also refer to MOHR to make sure all the law and regulations are followed correctly.
What about payroll discrepancies or issues raised by employees? How do you handle it? Can you provide me an example?
I think it is very interesting questions. For example, situations, an employee asks about his deductions. I will take a note of every important detail that he concerns about. Then I will review again the payroll record just in case there is a mistake and tell my boss if there is a mistake. I found the solution and implement the correct actions and try to prevent the same problem in the next payroll cycles.
In your opinion, what are the key components involved in calculating an employee's payroll?
For example, deduction, overtime, and bonuses.
Besides from the example you give, the components are allowance, PF, social, and other tax like PC.
So, Anis, how do you ensure that all employees' data is correct, such as pay rate, hours worked, benefits, etc.?
So, if the company using a system for human resource management, I will double check the data from the system. But if it's manually checked, I will go through the employee-related data before keying the payroll process. For our work, I can count the data from the punch card or print out thumbprint attendance data.
As you know, payroll information is highly confidential. So, how do you ensure that all sensitive data is protected?
It is good if all the data for HR department logged in one room and only can be accessed by the HR manager. For the system, it is better to let only HR manager and HR payroll to have all the access in the data sections. Pardon me, but I have a few questions about the positions and the company.
Yes, you may ask.
So would you tell me what a typical workday, project or workload is like?
Normally the weekday workload, you need to know the update on your work progress, shift workers, and what can I tell you? People stay flying all of the day.
What the main challenge for these positions?
The main challenge for these positions are mostly compliance issues with employment laws and tax legislations, lack of confidentiality, and miscalculations of employee wages.
Are there any learning opportunity or sources?
Yes, there are many resources to learn about this position, including certificates, courses, and job guides. Okay, Anis, I think that's all for our interview session for today.
Thank you for coming. I hope you get the job positions. Best of luck.